Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to be talking about why is your Cash app not working? So the first reason might be that you're not running the latest version of the app. So to fix this issue, you need to open up App Store on your device and then tap on this search icon in the bottom right corner. Then search for the app. And if you see this update button right next to the app name, simply tap on it to make sure you're running the latest version of the app. But if you still encounter this issue, then you need to open up this webpage on your mobile device or your PC and check its server status. Sometimes it can happen due to server issues. In case you find a temporary outage, wait for some time and try again later. But if you experience no outage here and still encounter this issue, then you need to contact Cash App customer support officials. And if you don't know how to do that, I'll leave a link to a video in the description below. And hopefully, the Cash App support team will fix the issue. And if it did, then make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.